In this video, I will show you how to fix Claude AI when it's not working or shows the currently unavailable or taking longer than usual message. First, keep in mind that this issue is often caused by temporary server problem. To check if there is any issue with Claude server, you want to open up any web browser and search Claude server. Then you can head over to status.claude.com and here check if there is any issue with Claude server. If the servers are down, then there is no need to fix it on your device. You simply want to wait until Claude fixes its server. Then you want to launch open the Claude app after some time to check if they have resolved the issue. Now, if the server is working normally, then what you want to do is update the Claude app to the latest version. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store and on the search bar type Claude and search for that. Here, if you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, you want to tap and hold on the Claude app, then tap on the app info icon over here. Now tap on the force stop option, then tap on OK, then tap on storage, and here you want to tap on clear cache. You can also tap on clear data and tap on the delete option, then launch open Claude, log into your account and check if that fixes your issue. If it does not, then you can reinstall the app. For that, tap and hold on Claude again. Now tap on the uninstall option. Tap on uninstall and confirm. Then open Play Store or App Store, search for Claude and install it again. In this way, you can fix the taking longer than usual problem on Claude AI. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.